Hey guys, this is the best banana pudding recipe you'll ever need. You know why? It's banana-less. How? Stay tuned. Here are the 5 ingredients that you'll need plus 1.5 cups of water. Add 1 package of banana instant pudding into a bowl. Add 1.5 cups of really cold water, like ice cold, and stir. Add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk to the pudding mixture, and then you're going to whisk it till everything's combined, then sit it in the fridge for at least 4 hours till chilled. Now once the pudding is set, we're going to start on our whipped cream. We're going to add 3 cups of heavy cream to a large bowl, make sure it's chilled, and mix on medium for 1 minute. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of banana extract, and we're going to whip on high for 2 minutes until soft peaks form. This is the consistency you're looking for. You don't want it quite firm yet. Now we're going to add our pudding mixture to our whipped cream. We're going to use a spatula because we're going to fold it in gently. We don't want to deflate the whipped cream. We want everything blended nicely, but we want to take our time and do this part slowly. Now once we add the pudding and the whipped cream, we're going to mix it on low speed just till everything is combined. Now this is what we are looking like. Perfect. The pudding and whipped cream are perfectly combined. Let's keep going. Now let's add a thin layer of pudding to the bottom of our pan to anchor our cookies. And then we're going to add our cookies to the bottom of our pan, right on top of that pudding. Now don't worry about them being perfect, just make them fit. Now we're going to add a nice thick layer of pudding right on top of those cookies that we just put down. Now we're going to put another layer of cookies down on top of that pudding, and then we're going to sprinkle some of the cookie crumbs on top in between those spaces. Let's fill them in. The more cookies, the better. Now let's add that final layer of pudding on top, a nice thick layer, and then we're going to spread it all across our pan, even it out, make it nice and smooth on top. Now you don't have to do this to crush up your cookies. I'm just being cute for YouTube. You can use a Ziploc bag. Now here are the crushed cookies, and we are going to spread them out across the top of the pudding. And this is what we are looking like, you guys. Look at this. One more step before we put our pudding in the fridge to chill. A little sea salt caramel ain't never hurt nobody. And we are going to drizzle just a little bit across the top. Gives it a nice sweet and salty bite. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna let our pudding chill in the fridge uncovered for an hour until the cookies are set on top, and then we're going to cover and chill at least 4 hours until the pudding is firm and the cookies soften. Okay guys, this is a mic drop moment. Look at this banana pudding. The cookies are nice and soft, they're like cake, and the pudding is not overly sweet. It's thick and whipped and perfect. And you're not even gonna miss those bananas. Trust your girl. Peace.